The international community that is coming into the country to help us are now being killed. And the implication is the international community will soon withdraw and allow us to manage our crisis. And managing our crisis would mean that we are now exposed to the insurgents or these headsmen of whoever is doing this killing. Mr. Speaker, the question one wants to ask, of recent, the President and Commander-in-Chief extended the tenure of the service chief. And normally, when you extend somebody's tenure, you are telling him you have tried and there is no better one than you. It means there is nobody else that will do the better job than that person at that moment. Mr. Speaker, are we celebrating success in the fight against insurgents or the herdsmen attack on our people? That's the question. That is the most important question. So if Mr. President is celebrating when in Yobe guests are kidnapped, 100 and something, up till today we can't even ascertain the number, and today we are saying there is governance. For me, there is failure of governance. And unfortunately, Mr. Speaker, you are in APC, so APC has failed. 3 years now, we are talking about security in this country. I remembered when Jonathan was president, one of the key points that the opposition used was that there was insecurity. And as we talk today, are we better off? We talk about Boko Haram defeated technically. What is the meaning of technical defeat? When people are still being killed, the issue of herdsmen is rising up. Mr. Speaker, I don't like to be sentimental. I don't like to talk about politics. But let's be very honest with ourselves. In as much as there are very good people in APC, but in the leadership collectively, APC has failed. And that's just the truth. So we really need to examine ourselves. If the leadership cannot provide security for our people, and which is the cardinal objective and function of government, I think the better pack or bring better people who can manage the affairs of this country. Because we cannot sit down here every day. Anytime we come to the floor of this house, it's issue of killing, issue of people are being kidnapped. Just last week, I brought an issue here where people were killing my constituency. People are killing Benue. And we hear, please, I think we should stop being partisan. We should talk the reality. And I want to applaud Honorable Bashir for saying the truth. Because there is no further truth than that there is failure in the leadership. And as long as we cannot find out where the problem is in terms of the failure of leadership, then we are not close to a solution. And Mr. Speaker, let's call a spade a spade. There is failure of leadership. And Nigerians must rise up to make sure that we have the right leadership who will safeguard our lives and property. Otherwise, we can't continue this way. And there's no solution. If you are saddled with the responsibility to secure lives and property, and you can't find solution, the most respectful thing is for you to resign. Thank you.